In this movie, we'll try to save the user ID whenever any topic or the post is created. So let's try to create a new topic. And in here, go to your topics controller. And here in this add method, we'll try to save the user ID from the auth component. So we copy this and paste before saving that. And topic user ID. And we set that equal to the auth component. And the field for this user would be its ID. So let's save that and create topic with user ID. Save topic. But we are logged in as a regular user, so the topic will not be appeared. So log out and log in as our admin. Log in. And now you can see that topic with our user ID has the user ID of 10, which in fact is the user ID for that logged in user. So instead of showing the user ID on this index page, we would like to show its username. So go to index.ctp. And here we use our user model and its user name. Do this here too. User model and our username. I save that and reload. And now you can see that a regular user, which is in fact the ID for this user ID 10, is shown here. So now let's create any post in this topic. Create a post. So now go to this controller, the posts controller, and inside this add function, we copy this from our topics controller. Go to your post controller. We paste that here before saving that. And this is our post. And its user ID would be the user ID of the logged in user. I save that. And I'm a regular user. Create post. And then go to this topic in which we created our post. And if we look that into our database, that's our posts. And you can see that the regular user's ID has been saved. I think we are logged in as admin, not a regular user. Yeah, so that we can see the edit and delete options. We have saved our user ID inside our topic and posts models. We still need to do one thing. Go to any topic and you can see that the user ID is being appeared, but we want the username to be shown here. So go to the view. We are basically looping through the post key, but let's check what's there in this topic array. So pre-tag PHP print r $sign topic and PHP and the pre-tag and reload. So basically our array contains three keys: topic, user and posts, but we are looping through only the posts. We'll have to write a function inside our users controller. So write public function get username by ID, and we'll pass the ID, and we will use find by ID method of user model, and we save that in the data and we return that data, and then we'll use this function inside our view. Before using any controller inside a view, you have to import that. So I paste this code here that simply imports the controller users, and inside our for each loop we create the instance of this users controller, so that uController equals new users controller. And then we'll use username or the uname that equals to uController, and we'll use its GetUsernameById method, and we'll pass this parameter, that's post user ID, and we'll use this variable here. So that's uname and its user model and the field. I save that and reload. And you can see now that here we have the username instead of user ID. So we have pretty much finished our application, and in next movie we'll finish everything.